Hey, how's it going? My name is Dan. I used to work at the biggest dealership in the country, and now I teach fine folks like you how not to get fucked when buying a car. Now, this is part 2 of a 2-part video. You can watch the first part. Let me give you like a 15-second recap of what was going on in the first video, but you should really watch the first video because there's some very important things that are very educational. So, number 1, when we're going to be going over this video, please try to ask yourself 2 questions. Does this dealership have integrity, and would you buy a car from this dealership? Okay, do they have integrity, and would you personally buy a car from this dealership? That's 2 questions that I always recommend you guys ask yourself when buying a car from a dealership or looking at one of my videos when I expose car dealerships. Second thing I want to talk about is they have almost a $3,000 add-ons, accessories installed on the car that apparently they were installed without my permission, and I would have to buy them unless they choose to lower the price. Does that make sense? So they advertise car for $32,000. I got a weird price of 32 or 32 and a half, God knows. And then we have this amazing text message where it says $2,995 in ads on. So we're gonna go over the ads. Okay, what the fuck is included? What kind of accessories? So number 1, Kahu anti-theft and vehicle tracker. Okay, that sounds like a GPS, but I want to make sure, I want to clarify. So I ask him, what is Kahu? Can you send me a brochure or some information about it, how it works? Okay, he sends me that. We're going to go over the brochure. So I ask him just to clarify. So it's a GPS tracker installed on the car to track it. He says, yes, for you to see where it is, if something went wrong with it, or, wherever it's located, if somebody steals your car, pretty much, okay, if somebody steals your car. By the way, let's look at this Kahu, this amazing piece of shit, absolutely fucking cancer of a company. Let's look at it. This is their fucking official brochure. Look at the first point. Point number 1. There's 3 points, but we're going to go over number 1 because number 1 should tell you everything you need to know about this company, okay? Your car comes equipped with Kahu GPS technology. Really? Kahu GPS technology? Have they invented their own GPS technology to call it Kahu GPS technology? Or are they using the same technology that everybody else is using? They're just calling it Kahu GPS technology. Do you think this company has integrity? Do you think this company that has their own Kahu GPS technology has integrity? My number 1 rule with dealing with a company is, do they have integrity? If they have no integrity, get the fuck out of here. That's why I'm never buying, certain brands, because they have no integrity. So this amazing company is selling this amazing, revolutionary product. Kahu GPS technology, watch out, you might get your socks blown up. Let's see if we can find another GPS tracker. Okay, can we find a GPS tracker? Oh my God, look at that. Amazon has one for $51. For $51, you can have it. $51. These guys are making it part of a package that's almost $3,000. Another thing that's included in this amazing $3,000 ads-on packages, bullshit accessories crap, is nitrogen upgrade on the tires. Guys, the tires are already filled with 80% nitrogen. They're already filled with 80% nitrogen. They're telling you, we're gonna bump it up another 20% for extra money. People who use nitrogen in tires are typically car racers, people that go 175 miles an hour, okay? And airplanes. Let me ask you a question. Will you be landing your car anytime soon at 300 miles an hour anywhere? I don't know, maybe you will be. Will you be driving your car 175 miles an hour? Again, I don't know you, maybe you will be. If you will be driving your car at 175 miles an hour, sure, yes, spend extra $20. $20 fucking dollars. Yes, it's $20 on Google. $20 fucking dollars. I Googled that shit. It's $20, guys. $20 fucking dollars. They're making it a part of a $3,000 package. Woo! At the end of the video, I'm gonna do the math, and we're gonna add everything up, how much they're charging for this stuff, and how much you can get some of this stuff for. Let's continue. This is gonna be exciting. So next thing they're offering us is Pinstripes. For those of you that are not 120 years old, you may not know what pinstripes are. It's these ugly lines on the car. You see this ugly shit? You can get it yourself, okay? If you ever want to feel like you're 95 years old, this is the stuff for you, okay? You know how the jean shorts, all right, the sit-down lawnmower and the white ginormous sneakers are associated with men in 60s. Okay, this is something that's associated with somebody who's like 90 years old. I think there might be a time traveler that got stuck and he just goes around putting fucking pinstripes from 1980s. I don't know who does this, but it is a pretty complicated process. It's an entire roll of tape that you can put on your car, and you can get 18 of them for less than $6. Less than $6 on Amazon. 18. Guys, you can buy this shit yourself from Amazon and be pinstriping on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday. You got nothing to do on the weekend, you go out and fucking put pinstripes all over the place. Let's keep going. There is more. There is more. Look at that shit. They're also offering us window tint. Window tint. Guys, last time I got my car windows tinted, I spent $200. I got 5 windows tinted, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the one in the back, and I got a sun strip on the top for less than $200. I got a very good quality. It wasn't some cheap shit. Got very good quality. Never had any issues with it. And the car, I mean, the car started to, break down before the tint started to strip. Never lost color. Very good for less than $200. And I got that shit in like super fucking dark. Next, they have door edge guards. Let's go onto eBay and see if we can find something like that. Oh, look at that. Look at that shit. 99 cents per foot plus $3 for shipping. What is this going to be? $12? Ooh, not everybody can afford this. Now, here's another very expensive product that he's offering me in this $3,000 fucking package. Pro Pack, which is your locking lug nuts. Locking lug nuts. Guys, you don't need them, but if you ever want to buy them, here, eBay, $6. $6 fucking dollars. Guys, if you think whoever's gonna be stealing your tires is so retarded that they wouldn't have a fucking special tool that they can get for a few dollars on eBay, if somebody's this retarded, if somebody's gonna steal your rims and they are so retarded that they can't overcome a $6 fucking lug nut problem, where do you live? I wanna move there, okay? That's the safest place. If $6 will prevent somebody from stealing my fucking rims, where are the criminals so retarded? California, New York, I mean, where? Next one. This is pure fucking gold. Mud splash guards. Now this one is pure fucking gold. Splash guards. Guys, let's go to eBay and see if we can get ourselves. Look, oh, $13. Wow, not everybody can afford this stuff. $13. This is included in $3,000. So far, the most expensive thing that we had to go over with was the $200 tint for a window that you can get. You can do it yourself or you can have somebody else do it. Another thing that they had was 120-mile 1-year road hazard warranty for your tires. So I was like, so what? Like if I get a nail in my tire, it's gonna get fixed? Well, if I get a nail in a tire, I can have it fixed at Les Schwab for like $14. Guys, have you noticed that everything that they have in this very, very expensive, at almost $3,000 package so far is extremely cheap? Let's keep going here. The last one is just pure fucking gold. You're gonna love this one. Rubber matting in the back. Rubber matting in the back. Guys, $16.90 from Amazon. $16.90 and you get enough mats for your entire fucking car. Not just for the back, for your entire car. Guys, are you serious? Let's do the math here. I did the math. And it comes out less than $300. Less than $300. You can get windows tinted yourself. You don't need to be spending $200. You can be lazy and have somebody else do it, or you can do it yourself. Let's keep going here because this is absolutely fucking amazing. So I asked him, can you give me a buyer's order? Let's read the text. Will you send me a buyer's order today? And this is their response. After you come in, I sure will. Well, what the fuck is the point of me asking you for a buyer's order to send it to me if I already sitting in your office looking at it? Like, what the fuck? Are you serious? I want to make sure there is no hidden fees on the buyer's order. No hidden fees. Hurry, we close at 8. Fuck you, bitch. I'm not coming in. I'm not coming in. Next day, listen, this is over a couple of days. Great, send me buyer's order. I can't. Are you gonna come in? I will not have any hidden fees. So he's saying no hidden fees. Am I to assume that all the fees have been disclosed already, right? Have all the fees been disclosed? Let's keep going here. Why can't you send me the buyer's order so I see the total cost of all the fees. I send you the best price. Come in if you want to take advantage of it. Listen, don't ever back down. The dealer can go fuck themselves. The car that you're buying is not a magical fucking car. There's hundreds of thousands of them everywhere else. You don't want to buy from this one, or this dealership is treating you like shit, like these people are treating me like shit, I'll go buy a car from somewhere else. By the way, we got a car for $1,000 less. Pow, and we didn't even have to ship it. Cha-ching. So we saved $1,000 in the car, $1,000 in the shipping. They didn't want to negotiate. They could have sold the car, but they didn't want to. They wanted to be smart instead of making money. You don't want to do that. You want to make money. You don't want to pretend you're smart, because you just look stupid. What are your dealership fees on top of the price of the car? Then he's asking me, when can we get you scheduled for? They want me to come in so they can use their sales tactics to persuade me to buy a car. There's going to be peer pressure, there's going to be sales taxes, there's going to be all sorts of shit that will be very bad for me. Do not come to the dealership unless you have a buyer's order. They will use sales tactics to make you buy a car. That's their job. This guy, it must be complete fucking idiot. Listen, last question before we come in. What are your dealership fees? Help me better to answer your question. What are you asking me? I'm asking about the dealership fees. Dealership fees. What is there not to understand? I mean, has this guy been working at the dealership for one day? Is he completely new? Can he ask his sales manager, hey, this guy is asking me about dealership fees. I'm kind of new here. I'm new. What are dealership fees? What should I tell him? He's asking about the dealership. What do I text him back? You know what this guy does? We disclosed everything that we charge as far as the dealer added equipment goes. Guys, I'm not talking about equipment. I'm talking about fees. Fees. The people that get a job as a car salesman are either retarded, have no skills, can't do anything else, got fired from Walmart, got fired from fucking McDonald's, couldn't take directions at Wendy's, so they got a job at fucking car dealership. I respond, you mentioned your accessories that you guys installed, but you didn't say anything about dealer fees. Finally, guys, I think this is like over 2 or 3 days, if I'm not mistaken, maybe even 4 days. We have a $163 documentation fee. What time can you come in? Have you noticed that he's always trying to make me come in? Because they're gonna use peer pressure, sales tactics to sell you this car. On top of the price of the car, which is unknown, is it 32 or 32 and a half? On top of the almost $3,000 accessories that they added it. They removed it for me. But what if they didn't remove it from me? Huh? Do you understand that just because I dodged the bullet, that doesn't mean that everybody else is dodging bullets, okay? They have a $163 dealership fee. Guys, let me ask you a question. Would you buy a car from this dealership, and do you think they have integrity? It's a very simple question. Very fucking simple. Huge thank you for watching this video. Click here to subscribe, watch one of those 2 videos, and click the share button below the video. Did you enjoy the video? Did you find it useful? Do you think you're gonna save some money with it? Abso-fucking-lutely you will. Share this video on Facebook with somebody else. This is Dan Strong with 60 Minute Car. I'm signing out, and I'll see you in another video.